Okay, this particular presentation will be given from the front of my classroom, so I'm acting like a normal teacher. And the topic is possessive adjectives. And it's pretty straightforward. Mine is my, dein is your in the do form, sein is his, ihr is her, sein is also its. When referring to the possessive of a das word, you must use sein. Unser is our, euer is your, ihr is their, and the capital ihr is your in the Z form. Remember, in the formal form of address. Remember that sie is she, and sie is also her, a pronoun, and sie is they, and ihr is also her, so sie is she, ihr is her. Alright, and so sie is also they, so ihr is also there. Sie, she, ihr, her, sie, they, ihr, there. And ihr, capitalized, is your in the Z form. Remember, whatever applies to sie, they, applies to Z, formal form of address, the only difference being it is capitalized if it means your. These are adjectives, possessive adjectives, and as such, take endings. That's a separate lesson. They don't have to take an ending, but they usually do. Okay, and that'll depend on the gender of the noun it modifies. That's what this plus sign is, and it actually applies to every word on here. Okay, it depends on the gender of the noun it modifies and the case of the noun it modifies. Is it in the nominative case, the accusative case, the dative case, the genitive case? And is it singular or is it plural? So if I wanted to say, that's my shoe, I would say, das ist mein Schuh. But if I wanted to say, those are my shoes, that would be, das sind meine Schuhe. And if I wanted to ask, have you seen my shoe? Now I've got the direct object. It would be, hast du meinen Schuh gesehen? Okay? And if I wanted to say, what did you do with my shoe, following that preposition mit, which is always followed by the dative case, I'd say, was hast du mit meinem Schuh gemacht? That's, again, a way more complicated rule. This is pretty straightforward. Remembering that ihr means her and there. Okay? That's it.